When I was 15, my best friend's dad sat me down and explained the gospel to me. It changed my life, but it also left me with 1,000 questions and no idea who to ask. Questions like this one. ScripturePath takes any passage, topic, or question you bring and builds a full Bible study around it, grounded in Scripture, in under a minute. Behind the scenes, it's identifying the right passages, mapping the theological connections, and pulling in the context most readers never get to see. It works the way a careful pastor would, only faster. What comes back isn't a search result, it's a complete study. It opens with the big picture, the theme, the author, the historical setting, and then a written prayer, so you start the way Scripture was always meant to be read. On your knees, not just in your head. Then it sets the scene. Who wrote it? When? Why it mattered to the people who first heard it. And before any commentary, ScripturePath walks you through the passage itself. 3 slow reads, each with a different lens, because the text comes first. Then come the observations. What the text actually says, before anyone tells you what it means. Every single point cites the verse it came from. Nothing invented, nothing assumed. This is the part most quick devotionals skip. ScripturePath leans into it, because seeing the text clearly is where real understanding begins. From there, it draws out the takeaways, the truths that emerge when you read the whole passage, not just a verse. And then, every single study, it points to Christ. Because the God who answered Job from the whirlwind is the same God who walked out of the tomb. That thread is never lost. Next comes life application. And this is the part I love most. Not vague encouragement. Specific things to think, to desire, and to actually do this week. Each one tied to a verse, so the practice never drifts away from the Word. For your small group, your family table, or your own quiet morning, there are discussion questions, icebreakers, comprehension, interpretation, and honest heart-level questions. And it closes the way it opened, a summary of what God has just shown you, and a closing prayer to carry it forward into the rest of your day. This is the tool I wished I'd had at 15. It's free. Try it now at ScripturePath.ai.